Ever wondered what happens after you've completed your keyword research? Keyword research is an essential first step to successful SEO. It's like your roadmap, guiding your content creation towards relevance and visibility. Now, let's delve into what you should do after conducting your keyword research. Keyword research is only the first step in a series of actions to enhance your SEO. After identifying your target keywords, dive deep into analyzing the competition. Understand who's ranking for your keywords and why. Next, optimize your content with these keywords, but remember not to stuff. Quality over quantity always wins. Lastly, monitor your keyword ranking regularly to see if your strategy is working. Remember, the journey doesn't stop at keyword research. It's what you do afterwards that truly counts. Feeling overwhelmed by the world of SEO? Authority Solutions is here to help. We offer comprehensive SEO services, from conducting thorough keyword research to implementing effective strategies. We're your reliable partner in navigating the complex SEO landscape. Partner with Authority Solutions today and let us help you navigate the SEO landscape. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next video. See you then!